recipe for today, tuna cherry spaghetti.
Let's start.
First, prepare a snack pot for cooking the spaghetti noodles.
Boil 1.5 liters of water. Add some salt and oil. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare sauté pan to cook the sauce. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of minced white onion, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Cook until slightly brown. Then add in 100 grams of cherry tomato. Season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and fresh crushed black pepper to taste. Let the tomato cook until a bit soft. Then add in 350 grams of canned tuna. Stir. Let it simmer for 1 minute. Then add 50 grams of fresh basil leaves. Then when the water is boiling, add in 1/2 kilo of spaghetti noodles. Let it cook according to the packaging instructions. While it is cooking, stir once in a while to prevent the noodles from sticking. Make sure to cook the noodles al dente. Al dente means it is ideal consistency of a pasta noodles or rice that is cooked to be firmed to the bite. Then when it is ready, put it directly into the simmering pasta sauce. Mix it in properly so that the pasta is well coated by the sauce. Then plate it into your liking. Enjoy!
For this recipe, I use feta cheese for the toppings, but if you don't like feta, you can also use parmesan. Thank you for watching. See you in my next recipe video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to notify you when I have a new video upload.